achieve excellent results in precision bore machining with a couple of shelf geometries, that's science fiction. I'll show you today how we handle geometries. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at Urma. The tool geometry determines the surface quality, the geometrical precision, and the durability. One of the most important facts is the understanding of the relation between the axial force and the radial force. I give you an example. One of the most standard geometry is the 45-degree lead angle. For many applications, this works as a great start. On a 45-degree angle, the axial and radial force are equal. So basically, the Swiss Army knife in the ream world. But let's say you want to improve surface quality or having less burrs on the exit. Then you need more radial pressure, so against your bore wall. So far, so good. But what are the downsides? The more radial pressure you have, the worse is your position accuracy, and you need also higher feet to stabilize your tool. If you have a thin-walled workpiece or a not-so-sturdy fixture, this can already be an issue. So, an off-the-shelf standard geometry has in particular applications, especially challenging ones, downsides. This is where we can help you with our application know-how. With our standard geometries, we can create more than 63 variants, not even counting the different substrates, edge preps, and coatings. And if your application requires the jack of all trades, we got you covered. We offer 19 special geometries which combine not only lead angles, but all geometrical possibilities to fulfill your need. Lastly, we have made till today more than 4,000 customer-specific geometries, such as stepped reamers with a pre-ream stage, various radius geometries, face-cutting reamers, chip formers, protection corners, and many more. I know, this can sound very overwhelming, but with the standard, you can already achieve great results. And for the challenges, be assured that we know what we do. Let us know your application, and we will pick the perfect geometry for you and your goals.